Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. So in this video we are going to learn how to make a gradient contour from height map. So firstly, whenever you open a 3ds Max software, always make sure you check the units. You will get the units in customized toolbar over here. In that we have unit setups, and just click on it, and then before making any drawing, just make sure your units is in meters. Alright, so the first step you have to do is just download a height map from Google or any other internet source you have. So yeah, this looks fine, and I'm not going to download it now because I already have one. So going back to 3ds Max, the second step is to draw a plane. In right hand side toolbar you can see the plane and object type. Just click on it and drag it in your viewport. Over here you can change the size, width and the segments you want according to your opinion, and also you can change the color of this plane. Later in modify option we just have to take the display, and yeah, in the bitmap section just click on the none option over here and you'll get a off folder. So just click on the image which you have downloaded earlier and just click on the open. Over here you can see the source of the image. Okay, so now further you can toggle with the strength and the decay or the blur. So the strength is the height of the map and the blur is the smoothness. Okay, so I'm gonna just type it here by 30,000. Oh, that's too much. 15. Yeah, not so much. All right. Yeah, this looks fine. Or maybe I'll just take it. Just 7 minutes. Yep. And also you can change the blur, which is the smoothness. Yep. Further we are going to render it and give it a color. I'll decrease the blur, that is the smoothness. And now we have to render this pink plane just like this one. So go to the rendering section in the toolbar and go to the material editor and then compact editor. So you can see you have 3 gradients over here. You can just change the color or keep it the same. And now what I'm going to do is, let's just click on this. You can just make a material copy or get a material or just change anything. Just double click on the color and you can change the color over here. So what I'm gonna do is, I want these colors for this plane. So I'm gonna go and click on the show shaded material in viewport. Oh, it comes with okay, just click the plane or whatever the options you have in your viewport and click on the assign material to selection. You can already see here the color, and then click on the show shaded material in viewport. Okay, so below in the gradient type you can see you have 2 options. One is linear and one is radial. Linear is something which goes along the shape of the plane, and radial looks like this. Okay, I'll keep it radial because it looks great. You can have a viewport, top viewport. This is how it looks. And now there you go, you have a contoured the gradient topography here. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. See you in my next tutorial.